Hi. Oh, yeah, I can see myself on the other computer. So, hi everyone. This is Live with Marija. My plan is to do live streams every Friday at this time. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens with the first stream. And we're going to go through some of my favorite technology web tools that I have used in my classroom and how I have used them. And then I will try to connect any of them to a Microsoft tool and preferably OneNote. So today's topic is mind maps. So let me share my screen. Okay, I haven't used Google Hangouts for so long. Okay, I think I found my way. This is my OneNote, and today we are going to talk about mind maps. And first of all, we are going to talk about some of my favorite free online tools for creating mind maps. And then we'll talk about OneNote, how to create a mind map in OneNote, and why even bother creating a mind map in OneNote when you have so many online free tools that are easy to use. So let's start first with my Pearl trees. So these are my Pearl trees. So this is a tool for bookmarking and curating and keeping all the things that you find online. And it used to be a very, very good tool because, like the name, there used to be a pearl tree that spread around, and it really looked like a connected mind map. And inside each pearl, you had all these digital tools that you keep. But now it kind of started looking, so that was in the beginning, like maybe 6 years ago. Now it started looking a lot like Pinterest. So you have these boards and where you keep things. So here in my mind map, so I have an older pearl tree on mind maps, but most of them no longer exist, or if they do, they're not free now at the moment, and they used to be. So I did a little research, and what I found was that the two web tools that I have been using with my students are actually the best ones that there are online, and the easiest ones that you can use, because, well, let's be honest, with students, it's not that easy. Sometimes you get stuck with sign-ins and passwords. We as grown-ups get stuck with sign-in and passwords, and how do I do this, and where do I click? So usually what I do is select something that is easy to use, something that looks nice. And my advice, because last year I had a real struggle with introducing new tools and doing more than one thing in class. So my advice is, when you introduce anything new, just give them some time, some 15-20 minutes to go and play around with it and see what it's like, how to add things and so on, and then assign them to do something with it. So what I'm showing you now is Google It, and it's a very nice, it's one of my favorite tools, actually. It's very easy to create a mind map. Okay, I'll call this mind map a mind map. And if I want to add something, I can even change the color. Oh, this was not a possibility a while ago. So if I want to add anything to my mind map, I just go plus and so on. And I can even change the colors. So, and they used to change automatically. I don't know, why don't they change now automatically? Yeah. Yes, now they do. They didn't because I changed the color of the main title. So as you can see here, what you can add is a link, an image, and even find icons that you can insert inside this mind map. It looks really, really good. And the best thing is that you can share it, and students can collaborate. And I've done this in the classroom, and it looks really good. Sometimes it gets messy because someone starts to write and someone else's string and so on. But the best thing is that you can download it as PDF or as an image. So it looks very good, and it's very easy for students to use it. The other thing that I wanted to show you was Poplet. And Poplet might not be as easy, but it's really more interactive. It's okay, it zooms in and out. You can change the colors. You can insert an image and a text. And when you enter a link, actually, you can have a video inside. So I wanted to show you a Poplet of mine. Yep, this is a Poplet on conditionals, since I'm an English teacher. So for a 0-second conditional, and each conditional, I have a song inserted, embedded inside, but it doesn't play inside. So that's the thing about these online mind maps. So let's now go to OneNote, and I would like to show you how you can create your own mind map. So the first idea, that's not actually an idea because I'm sure that everyone has thought of this. Let me just add a page. So if you are using a, let me just change first the page color. I really don't like if my page color is white. Okay, I'm into colors. So if you have a pen and a touch screen, then it's very easy for you to create a mind map because you can use all this pens and colors. And okay, this is my main idea, and this is what I do, and so on. And there you have kind of a mind map. It might look messy, but at the end, I will show you what you can actually do with a OneNote mind map. Now, what I wanted to show you was how to become a professional mind map creator. And for this, we'll use PowerPoint. So all I use when I create anything or design anything is PowerPoint. It's not Photoshop. So all that I use are these shapes in PowerPoint and the colors, and I create all the designs. So I will show you very quickly how you can make your own mind map. A very simple, easy one. So why don't you just take this oval shape? Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay. And let's choose a color. And then if you go to insert, you'll notice that you have icons that you can insert inside. And let's see, let's find something. Okay, a light bulb. So what you can do is, let's put it in the middle. What you can do is change the color. So we'll make it gray, and let's group this two shapes. So you go to group and group them. And now let's add some lines. So this will be maybe the trickiest part for you. But once you start doing it, it won't be so difficult. So let's edit this shape so it looks nice and should go like this. And now it still doesn't look like much, but you'll see the magic in a while. Okay, now all we need to do is make this line thicker. That's enough. And these little dots, and make it the same color as your idea. Let's group these two. I'll just copy them, and then I'll go to my OneNote. Actually, I'll use this same page, and I'll just enter and paste it. Now, I really didn't choose the best color as a background, so let's change it. Make it pink. No, it just doesn't go well. Oh, terrible. I know it takes time to find the right color, so it might take me a while. Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about why even consider making mind maps in OneNote. So what I'll do is I'll open my OneNote 2016 version, and here is a mind map that I have created. It's actually a picture that I've made in PowerPoint, and I have set this image as a background so I can type almost anywhere. Now, if you think about all the things that you can do in OneNote, so you can add handwritten notes and type and insert pictures and videos and embed almost anything. So let's go back here and let's say I want to embed a sway inside my mind map. So yes, I'm going to share this one. I'll just copy the link. Nope, I was here. And there it is. So maybe one of the things that I was trying to explain I have actually created a sway. And I can embed that sway inside my mind map. So not every online tool can do this. Not every online tool can do what OneNote can do. So I've just embedded sway. Okay, let's go to Flipgrid. Great idea. Prepositions of place. Now, here's the trick with Flipgrid. If I put this Flipgrid, this grid inside OneNote, my students won't be able to add their voice without leaving the notebook. But if I create a sway, actually for this I need the embed code. Oh yeah. If I create a sway, okay, embed code copied. They change things every day. So, and I embed the grid inside this way. Let me just adjust the style, use the simplest one. Okay, and then I just copy this, and let's say this is my second idea, and this idea, for this idea I have, for this idea I have created a grid. So I'll put it here somewhere. It's very small, but yeah. And I'll put this way here. So they're both ways, but this one actually has a flip grid embedded. You'll be able to see it in a while. Will we be able? Yep, here it is. Yep. And if I go here, I will be, it's too small, tiny, so that I see this green. Let me just make it bigger so that I see this green dot. Yep, here it is for me to add my video recording. So this is why I think OneNote is the best tool for creating mind map. And one more thing. Let's go to TED Ad and find a TED Ad video. And then try to embed it into OneNote. Okay, here is one. I just copy it. I go to OneNote. What happened? Why can't I embed it? Oh, I bet I need a YouTube. Yes, I do need. I need it on YouTube. Yeah, I forgot about that. Or TED. Yeah, it's not TED Ad, it's TED. Sorry. Yep. But on TED, I believe that now you can, yes, here they are. Now you can see the TED Ad lessons. Right. Here's one. Let me try this one. So this link won't do. Yeah, I think that all TED Ad lessons are now, yeah, here it is. So you can even embed a TED video. Okay, here's one idea, and so on. And when you look at it, actually, there's no mind mapping tool that can do, and it's a very easy trick. I mean, you can create a mind map looking like this using PowerPoint, and it's very easy and it's simple since you have icons and you have shapes that you can do it. Or if you are using a touch screen and you have a pen, you can create something looking like this. And since I don't have a touch screen and a pen, this was done with a mouse and it doesn't look very nice. But when you realize you can do all this, then you see that OneNote actually is the best thing for creating mind maps, and having in mind that you can have it in collaboration space, share it with your students, and everyone can work on one mind map. So everyone can contribute by adding videos and images or text or sways or Flipgrid. Then you realize how powerful OneNote is. So I have 10 more minutes left, but just enough for me to show you some of the things. So here, actually, I was supposed to go here. Yeah. Here I have created a couple of mind maps, and I chose the backgrounds. But when you download them, you will be able to choose your own background, and this one as well. So I think I have 8 mind maps. 4 actually, which are on different backgrounds. And that's it. And then I have uploaded them to Teachers Pay Teachers. So here they are, 4 of them, and they have a dark and light version. And you can get them here and download the OneNote notebook, which has this OneNote mind maps. Also, last week, I uploaded some badges for you to use in your classroom. They're very cool. Yeah. Don't forget to check out my OneNote course. So OneNote with Marija. It was sponsored by OneNote Central. And the course is mostly on OneNote class notebook. But if you go through the course, you will realize that actually everything that you need to know about OneNote is here, but the structure is OneNote class notebook. So if you go to a content library, you will learn about how to add and embed content and how to create sways and Flipgrid and how to embed them. And in the teacher-only section, you learn about creating templates, creating calendars, and all kinds of templates, lesson plans, and so on. The collaboration space actually talks about, I have a full section on Teams and why use the collaboration space, how to structure it, what to put inside, and so on. And there are videos, as you can see. In the student's notebook, I talk about the collaboration of teachers, students, parents, how to get the teachers, the students link, how to share them. In the structure, I also talk about distributing pages and giving assignments and so on. And in the extras, you have some templates free for you to, so you have a full notebook that you can download and some templates free for you to use in your classroom. And at the end, please don't forget the special project of the Immersive Minds, the refugee crisis. So this is a project on, it's a learning resource where we combined Minecraft, OneNote, and Flipgrid. And it's free for you to use, but all we ask from you is a small donation for Play for Progress. And please use the hashtag Immersive Humanities and leave a message that you donated. And then you'll be able to download the Minecraft world, the refugee crisis Minecraft world, as well as the refugee crisis OneNote notebook. And where you can find all your guides as a teacher, all the materials that you need, and everything is explained there. You have all the links that you need. You have the download link of the Minecraft world, and at the end of each lesson, you have an embedded Flipgrid for you to use in the classroom, but you actually can create your own Flipgrid with the questions from the self-reflection and the recap points, discussions, and so on. So this was all from Life with Marija, my first time. Today's topic was mind maps. If you go to this under this video in the description, you will be able to find the links of where to find the mind maps that I showed you in this video and where to download them, where to find the badges that I showed you, and also where to find my OneNote course. So thank you for being here and goodbye. Let me see if I can do this now. Oh yeah, stop broadcasting.